This time, we will draw a school bus with happy children waving inside. Hello. Welcome to our channel.
Joe, sing an animation.
This time, we will draw a school bus with happy children waving inside. Please follow the steps and we will learn to draw together. First, we need to create an outline. It must be very light line, so that it's easy to erase if you desire to change it. After that, you can draw now a final and visible outline. We will be playing the song, The Wheel on the Bus. Since we have already finished the final outline, let's put the dark blue color, gray color for the tire. Now, the color yellow for the body. Color brown for the faces and color red for the student's cap, stop sign including the signal lights in the front and rear light. And the last color is sky blue for the window glass. Now the drawing is done. It looks very beautiful. To animate our drawing, let's speak the magic spell together.
Joe, sing an animation.
Wow, amazing. Our drawing is now moving, the tires are turning, the bus is running, and the happy children are waving to us. Congratulations to you on another amazing drawing you made. I hope you enjoy drawing with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cute drawings and animation. Bye, see you soon.